In this video, I'll teach you how to remove a repost on TikTok. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to repost this video quickly here. And now you can see at the bottom left, it says you reposted. So I have one option here in this video. If I was scrolling on my For You page and I accidentally reposted a video, I can hold on the video and now I can click remove repost right here. And now it's removed. Alternatively, if you realize later that you reposted a video by accident, so let's just repost it again, and then go back here, go to a profile. You'll probably land on this page here if you go to your profile, but you want to click on the middle button right here where it says add bio above. And now you click on the video, and now we can either click at the little button that says you reposted at the bottom left, or we can hold on the video like we did before and click remove repost. And now when we reload our profile, you can see there's no repost at all, and that is basically how you do it.